Good morning, YouTube subscribers. Welcome back to Awe Studio and another installment on this veil painting. The last time I left you, I said I was going to go on with the color composition and try to find a theme. And sure enough, I found the theme of Lord Shiva, which is a real surprise to me. But originally I just saw a head shape and some kind of a turban and a snake. And after I looked at pictures from Lord Shiva, I found out that there were many other symbolic areas that really were coming out in my pictures, such as the hand and so on. So I want to show you now how I can get the different forms to come out a little bit. And let's start with yellow. And what I do is sometimes I take a theme, say this sun back here that I'm working on, and I'll just deepen little bits of it. One of the things I really like is this neck, which is coming right down here into the body. And this gesture here, which again was just a veil, could be leading our eye to think about a shoulder and arm in the background. Now, if I have developed some green over here, then I'm probably going to want to pay attention to some green or some sort of image back here too. So let's see if we can just get a little bit stronger blues. Into this area. I had this angle on the arm before, more like from upper right to lower left, and now I'm thinking I'm just going to have it coming more straight down like that, and then this area back behind here will just be more of a golden. So you see that things change constantly. Let me emphasize to you that although I've come up with a very specific theme, I didn't start out with this theme in mind. I simply associated the color spaces to something that was obviously living in my imagination or coming through my imagination. And then I had to do a little research by going to other images of Lord Shiva and what would be the appropriate forms. So what I want you to take away from this short demonstration is that as you're working through your veil painting, you're going to start out with these large surfaces of color that you're just trying to organize in a pleasing, harmonious way. And please refer back to my other videos if you don't quite remember what I'm talking about. And then you may begin to envision a theme. It can be quite surprising to you, as this Lord Shiva is to me. I don't even know much about it, but I saw it in the colored surfaces, so I decided that's what I had to paint. And I do that by gradually doing smaller and smaller spaces of color that lead me to exemplify exactly what the figurative quality in the painting is. The snake appeared in the red and the hand appeared in the red. And here, a multitude of colors filled the form of the face. And then back here, I slowly began to see that there would be some mountains. So this is what we need to do, and I hope that you will be looking towards your veil paintings. Send me an email if you need some pointers. Thank you.